I'm doing a brand new job application online, and I don't really care what type of job it is right now. I just need a new one. And believe it or not, it's at a chicken farm. But they pay $14 an hour, and I have to leave the city of Greensboro, but they provide free transportation. So I'm online. It's called Mountaineer. And I had a representative at the IRC Center help me do it. We did not finish because we were running out of time, so I just told her I was going to go online and do it myself. I'm going to click on careers and go down to search open positions. But because I'm already starting it, I have to answer these questions on here. You, your household member, do any of these statements apply to you? No. They just asked me for like food stamp information. I do not got my address and all that stuff on here. That's correct. Submit. Done. So I'm at number 7. I've done profile upload, personal information, history, general questions, job specific questions, work opportunity tax credit, e-signature. I would read everything, but I already know what it's about. So CHRISTLPAG. I need to sign my name. And let me do my middle name. Save and continue. Now I have to look over everything to make sure everything's right. Personal information. Yep, address, phone number, work history, education, questionnaire, tax information, e-sign. Okay, I'm going to submit. It says, thank you, process completed. Thank you for sending us your online job application. If your employment profile corresponds to our requirements, a member of our Human Resources Department will contact you. Then it says, we invite you to view the job openings available in our career section and to further explore the functionalities of your account. I'm so used to hearing that, so hopefully they stick to the plan and actually contact me. But I've applied at other places also, so that's done.